Hey everybody, this is your video guy with Lombardi, who just came in, my trusty Great Pyrenees, who likes to do the camera reviews with me, but he's going to take off now. So today we are reviewing the Kingslim D2 dash cam, and this is going to be the unboxing video. I'm not going to do any testing, none of that. This is just really going to do a few things, excuse me. How to open the box, so hopefully that won't be a struggle, and what's in the box. And then once we get all that done, I'll put another video up and actually reviewing it. So as you can see, this is the front, this is the back, and it gives you some nice verbiage here. It tells you some of the things it can do. Okay, and then I might as well do all four sides. All right, you can always pause to read. So it looks like you push this out. That's easy, right? Okay. So I'll face the box towards myself a little bit as much as I can, but this you pull out. That's pretty easy. And you open it like this. All right, so what do we got first? So nice packaging. Wow, look how small and compact. Wow, that's nice. So this is obviously the dash cam that goes in the front. Again, we're not going to go through it, but nice to see they have the lens covered. Nice big screen, but not too big. So far I like this because I'm an action camera guy. Okay, so then you take this piece out, and boy, look at all this accessories. So it looks like you got some stickies and some screws. Put them here in front of us. Looks like you got the old cigarette lighter from the old days. To now you do most of the things with charging. Looks like this is the video. Looks like a video input, but it's yellow. So, but again, I have to read. Here's some more wires. Obviously, some more. Looks like more brackets. The suction cup for the front under the mirror. Then it looks like this is the back cam for under the back of the car, back of the vehicle. And then this looks like a tool of some sort. Pretty neat. Looks like a shoehorn, right? But that's not obviously what it is. Then we have great quick start manual. Excuse me, quick start manual. And I like this because I've got Picasso camera, Brave. So I like this, their club, and then that's it in the box. So again, this is the unboxing. You've got a lot of really good stuff here. You know, I got to read the instructions first to get an idea of how all this goes together. I think the front won't be a problem. The back, I'll have to get a better understanding. I don't know if they give you a memory card. I don't see one. I don't know if it needs a memory card. Yeah, there is a slot for one. There's not one in there, so we'll have to see. So that's a little disappointing not to have a memory card, but that's okay. So this is the unboxing, and we will be back with the actual review. Thank you.